Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change address on Club Card or Tesco Club Card. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how do you get Tesco? Alright, how do you get to create a Tesco account? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar in your browser. Now once you do that, in the search bar type tesco.com and it's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get there, at the top right corner, you're going to find the sign up option. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change your address in Tesco. Now, when signing up, you must have been asked to add your address. Let's say you changed your address or you relocated and you just want to change your address and make it reflect in the Tesco web application. Here's exactly what you can do. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen and you're going to find the My Account tab. So go over there and click on that, and that's going to take you to the account window. Now here says, hello Favor, hi Tesco. Here's your account overview, and scroll the way down. So you have orders, you have club card, and here you have details and preferences. And right here, just below details and preferences, you're gonna find manage your personal information, addresses, and marketing. So this is pretty much where we want to go, right? Now head over here to personal details. Okay, you find personal details, marketing preferences, dietary preferences, and request save data. So go ahead and click on personal details, and it's going to take you to your personal windows details window. So you have personal details. All right, and if you scroll the way down, you're going to find your phone number, and you have email, and right here the consensus is the club card account address, so where you will get club card vouchers and all the information in the post. Now this is the address I have right here, and also reflects in my delivery address, which is pretty much the same thing. So if I want to edit this address, I'm going to click on this edit button right here, and it's going to take me to a window where I can now enter a new address. So this is it. Now they're saying that if I want to change my address, then I have to verify my account. It's one-time passcode. Okay, so I'm going to click on get your code now. They want to be sure that you are the person that is doing this or that is in this process. So go ahead and click on get code now using any of these options. And once you click on get code now, go ahead and check your phone, the phone number that you use to create a Tesco account. You're going to get a code. Once you get a code, enter in the code, and once you enter in the code, I'm going to take you to a window where you can now change your address. Now right there, just change your address, and once you do, that's going to reflect in the Tesco web application, and it's just going to reflect in your account. Now this is pretty much the process. Now once you go over this tutorial from top to bottom, you'll get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.